Alright, ebusuan mu bibia kwaba mfamra 2K ni sembloso ewo YouTube so say ebusuan for yaba as usual. Ensem ahodo a ekoso e organize na ebesu mahwefo. Ene atifu nya na ebusuan de tinyina nse yese ade se justice tokunu. One afanyoma ken enkomotwetwe bi atimi akoso ewo omontem. Na ebusuan enkomo ne pe ni behwe. Very interesting. Me person will be nya brewa bre kwa akwaje sa ensem ni nya emu enchi mu pen ye ere aba afanyoma ken NHS justice tokunu. Enkomodi ana se nhyiemudi omudi ye no sei anana esitie ensembe ene course ewasa eye meeting nim yenko jinsem nya enchimu emfamba na make us so nya subscribe from my YouTube channel ya na do nsa subscribe at so you are now the bell notification icon so at so be next time bia no me drop video na nsa ka video ni bi enten so me din Erekwam gentle.
MPP government was involved in the galamsey. Say JM enumbaye na JM no matimi afa national security cars eko ewrem. Say omude kwakwa to galamsey. How? Na national security for afa eye cars every eye Jubilee house. Na omude ko ewrem atiwa. Na ya che womo. Na boys na threaten say ye nyai womo a omu bebu bodin. Based on that, na ya yi nanapon head of transport a Flagstaff house ya yi na di. Because ono na ya so release cars no e ma boys no e dey call Etiwa forest. How? So that is the issue. And when na you obia bufu no obia ga say galamsey aye onwa. Go and watch the gold mafia. Then Akufo-Addo beka che so obeko court no went to court. He was the one. Akufo-Addo was the one. Onu mu na yes galamsey no. Gold mafia Al Jazeera eguye president animu ase went me anya ho hwe. Yet kroma Eko wusi na or threaten journalist mentioning Gabi Ochredako that Gabi and a kingpin in galamsey no a Gabi no abo no lenke Baumia office. Look, yatia mi bobie wachrebi near say your empirical evidence say and this ni appointee way na A2 galamsey. Why should I sit here and shoot the person? Mabadam. And I'm yare. And I'm magrimu yamia. Miami Olman Julius Debra onim. Say ye onwa pokura ponwa enya dia bobie di ne ho becheno. Because look, we can't support people to destroy a beautiful country like Ghana. We can't do it. Now check this. Maka same way actually NDC penifo. They should listen to me, please. Yeah, the story be to us say Ghana Web. Konongo Traditional Council hands over alleged galamsey kingpin to police. And this story was written, I think, on Monday, right? So this is the full story. The Konongo Traditional Council in the Ashanti region has handed over Mr. Kwabena Amofa, known as Alaji, to the police for questioning and possible prosecution over his alleged involvement in illegal mining activities in the Asante Achem Central Municipality. Mr. Amofa is suspected to be a key figure behind the rising galamsey operations in Konongo, which have caused significant environmental degradation. So it goes on and on. Okay, so hold on for me. Now, Kwame, as some way, me carry an amount for video no. The Americans say, until said they will deal with the main culprits, the main people, kingpins, akuku dan no ewo kromano, say JM to be the next from says o jelly bi jelly ahemfo a ubansa nkola no mudi akire ni nyina be study kwame asantefo ya okasa bi yesi wowo twaniti di aka ni nyina eya ahoma barobo atwa woto so far as aniti do ho no forget it obetimi akọ me ba cho truck trailer no say nitino a movie ayi trailer no bet me a movie and me if you want to stop a truck moving just what do nitino ejano ansana ni trailer no ayede nitini jina and the trailer ni jina we common sense amemu common sense oh and Tina Rollins ewie O level form 5 not in so nimnyansa eche wo professors so ma bedi Ghana so ne doctors ne and Tina Rollins no nimnyansa che common sense governance your common sense and so be catch them say amemu ntiti pai no na me busa say uti no e pai no and they say uti pai because you don't want to do the right thing you are being compromised. You see, Kwame, on says you busa wasema. Na so you obi aye no kwafo a. They want to be a yes and no. The moment you start struggling to answer, now tiyo ya. But when you are a truthful person, Bobby na afa ade way, yes, ubon say ho ato. Because answer no heals you. No. Ubon say ho ato. The answer you give, it heals you. It heals your soul. And when politicians tell me amemwon timitia me ya uti yo ya isesei bobie na awia de ampa what Australia kon say bobie na awia de bobie na awia enti say bobie ebo no ye campaign eba power ntino ubon say upese odani asem nti na otino ya oya because say so bibi ko ka kire public no why you can't jail bobie enya sa ye na di tipa ye ne ba no na ti ya oya o say amemwo eden sesei ne den ne say why you say simple. We say ya Ghana mrase say with them 10 years go to 10 years. Simple. So simple. We within a power no tipai no. A power say. Or through phone and tipai no abrabum. Within a power no. A power say. So the point is, Kwame, Senka. And this is buying and come J. Equa see tape no. And no tea tape no moonsem. And no says so more question. Equa see. God watching I said bra. Wo bra. Journalists no woman no bra. Equa will say. Galamsey no a powerful kababi, police in penifo soldier in penifo media practitioners. Every crab be a mere material the name. How can you know? Mr. President, the minister, how can you know? Say Bobia money no kobano. Say ayonwa. How can you know? Entina brofo asemsia obia wo munchembia a suspect. Yeah, so that is why they are able to deal with issues quick. Asemsia, everybody around, or mamio, or papao, or pia suspect. Yeah, dear. Asemsia, na ye chiri. Ebiso kwabe kwachi or ton channel. One na ya de no. Anybody be catch us say there are senior media practitioners in this business. Enti story ba Ghana web. Yes, Yahoo Gold, our Upper East. They are media practitioners. They have access to information. They have links. They call their partners our Togo, Burkina, other places. Chale, yasi Yahoo Ayasa Sibi how more bad bay. So call we see bra. Media practitioners here for. Was here Bobie, Kwame Nkrumah Tikesi. Kwabrama Liz Sowell, Wonto, Mugabe, Boache. Okay, all right. So you're round here up. I say more any peke. A dear the munim faho. Police form penny for a hair for a IGP. A way. Any serious country will interrogate a kwausi hard. Obeka, Obachere Crofokro, a him for cro. Media for a soldier form penny for crop or better. But you see, Ghana politics sometimes Entinayana and this ribini yeno and one am a person me ja radio subano ko wa hwe yi a no akwa kan de yanka but ade no so sa na tie we a common sense mo ba na mo agai wo mo sa niam we nyina agu wo and a boys na omodo mo ye adwuma no mo chase wo mo forest sesi akwa me maybe na me read this story bi anwonwi answer last 2 weeks omo kopa mo yes nra another gang asiako invaded the forest. Do you know why? The head is there. You don't want to cut off the head. You are dealing with the trailer. You take one trailer off. Say head ni si won kwa dia ombenya trailer bako e dia soso e common sense e nyansa wajimia ade we e be dia ma so be tia se wajimia so wajimia on tia se da. Last 2 weeks, and Omukopam or Mufri Aonyi Forest. Today, TV3 News or one of the channels that they are back. Do you know why? The head is